Imagine you have a list of 50 client addresses. Your boss asks you to check every single location on a map. Doing this manually, copying each address, opening a search tab, and pasting it is a total time waster. Stop the madness. There is a much faster way. We are going to build a dynamic map dashboard using the hyperlink function. All we need is a secret Google Maps search link. I'll provide this URL in the description so you can just copy it into your own sheet. Let's set it up. Type hyperlink, open quotes, and paste the base link. Now use the ampersand to connect it to your address in cell A2. To make it look professional, we'll add a friendly label like View Map with a pin emoji. This makes your spreadsheet feel like a custom app. One click on the fill handle, and boom! Every row is now a live link. Click any of them, and Google Maps opens the exact location instantly. Pro tip: if your data is messy, you can even combine city and street columns using another ampersand. Master your data, save your time, and impress your boss. Subscribe for more daily Google Sheets magic.